And yeah, we get some really nice results. Some real crackers like 170 grams per ton, 42 grams per ton, and so on. So we're pretty excited about doing that, and it's showing how prospective that area is.
Hello and welcome back to the Proactive Studio. I'm Tyler Tully, and joining me today is Mako Gold Managing Director Peter Ledwidge to talk us through its rock chip sampling results, which have returned high-grade gold mineralisation at the Comboro prospect located within its Napier Gold Project. Peter, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
So, talk to us about your latest reconnaissance program. What were you targeting and what did you find?
Well, our crews have been hard at work doing geological mapping and rock chip sampling. So our viewers will recall that we did that on Chaga North and got some pretty nice results there. And so we're just extending it to the north of Chaga North at the Comboro prospect, and yeah, we get some really nice results. Some real crackers like 170 grams per ton, 42 grams per ton, and so on. So we're pretty excited about doing that, and it's showing how prospective that area is.
So, what are the significance of these results in what they tell you about the mineralization at the prospect, and how do they contribute or potentially expand upon your existing mineral resource?
Well, it what it tells us is we've already got 868,000 ounces in two deposits further south on the 30-kilometer long project. So the Napier project is like a whole bunch of projects within a project. So it tells us that Napier keeps delivering. We it presents some new drill targets for us. We had a little bit of previous drilling where we got 9 meters at 3.3 grams, including some higher grade stuff in there. So it really tells us that, this is another area where we can be looking to increase our resource.
So, you've got these results now. What's next for exploration at the project?
Well, the crew's got to finish mapping at Combro, but we're in the process of planning drill holes both there and elsewhere. So it's the wet season right now, so we can't really drill. It makes it a little bit difficult, but by October we should be hopefully having the drill spinning. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. It just shows that much more prospectivity for the Napier project as we keep advancing our exploration.
Definitely very exciting times for Mako Gold. Peter, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. My pleasure being here.